What if you could own a professional GPS drone in 2026 without spending thousands of dollars? Today's drones are smarter than ever, offering AI-powered obstacle avoidance, stabilized 4K and even 8K video, ultra-long flight ranges, and intelligent GPS features that make flying easier for beginners and professionals alike. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 GPS drones of 2026. Stay until number 1 because it delivers features that rival premium drones at a surprisingly competitive price. Starting our countdown is the Xiaomi M7 GPS drone. Designed for travelers and casual creators, this foldable drone combines portability with impressive aerial performance. Its dual camera system supports high-resolution aerial photography, while intelligent GPS positioning helps maintain stable flight even in challenging environments. Brushless motors provide smoother operation, lower noise, and improved durability compared to traditional brushed motors. The built-in screen remote controller lets pilots monitor their live view without relying entirely on a smartphone, making setup quicker and more convenient. If you're looking for an affordable entry into GPS drones with modern smart features, the Xiaomi M7 deserves serious consideration. Coming in at number 4 is the L200 Plus GPS drone. Its biggest highlight is the 3-axis mechanical gimbal, delivering noticeably smoother video during flight. Combined with a professional dual-lens camera system, this drone is built for content creators who want cinematic-looking footage. The intelligent 360-degree laser obstacle avoidance system helps improve flight safety by detecting obstacles from multiple directions. Brushless motors increase efficiency and provide stable control, making the L200 Plus an attractive choice for creators looking to upgrade from beginner-level drones. At number 3, we have the Lenovo Z906 GPS drone. This drone combines portability with advanced intelligent flight features. Its folding design makes transportation easy, while GPS positioning enhances flight stability and return-to-home functionality. The large integrated display on the remote controller offers a convenient flying experience by providing a clear live camera feed. Intelligent obstacle avoidance and brushless motors work together to deliver smooth, reliable performance, making the Z906 a solid all-around drone for hobbyists and travel creators. Our runner-up is the FIMI Mini 3, one of the most impressive lightweight GPS drones available today. Weighing just 245 grams, it's compact enough for travel while offering premium performance. The 3-axis mechanical gimbal delivers exceptionally smooth footage, and the 4K HDR camera captures vibrant colors with excellent detail. With video transmission reaching up to 9 kilometers under ideal conditions, pilots gain greater flexibility for scenic exploration. Intelligent GPS flight modes and reliable stabilization make this drone suitable for both beginners and experienced creators. For travelers wanting premium image quality in a compact package, the FIMI Mini 3 is an outstanding option. Taking the number 1 spot is the impressive FIMI X8 Tele Max. Built for serious aerial creators, this drone offers a remarkable transmission range of up to 20 kilometers under ideal conditions, giving pilots exceptional flexibility for large-scale projects. Its dual camera system features a telephoto lens with up to 30 times hybrid zoom, allowing you to capture distant subjects while maintaining impressive detail. The 3-axis mechanical gimbal delivers stable footage, while 4K video at up to 60 frames per second creates smooth, professional-looking results. AI-powered night video capabilities expand shooting opportunities in low-light environments, making this one of the most versatile drones on today's market. If you're looking for premium features, advanced camera performance, and outstanding flight capabilities, the FIMI X8 Tele Max stands at the top of our list. Those are our top 5 GPS drones of 2026. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. You'll find product links in the video description if you'd like to learn more. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more of the best tech deals from around the world. Thanks for watching Global Deal Explorer, and we'll see you in the next video.